let's talk about how do we decide what makes a quartz countertop good or bad. A high quality quartz slab is made of at least 90 to 95% of pure quartz mixed with resins and pigments. But lower quality slabs might contain only 70% quartz with excessive resin and filler. The more quartz, the stronger the slab. To check this, make sure you look at a certification from a reputed third party that has tested these slabs to ensure their quartz percentage is higher. Premium quartz contain 90 to 95% quartz and 5 to 10% of resin, whereas cheap quartz contain only 70% of quartz and has excessive resin. A good quality quartz is scratch resistant, whereas a low quality quartz scratches easily because of excessive resin. Let's test it. High quality slabs has no visible scratches, whereas low quality slabs scratches easily. If your quartz scratches too easily, it's a red flag. Next, let's talk about stain resistance. A good quality countertop is stain resistant, whereas a low quality countertop absorbs liquid, leaving a permanent mark. If the stains disappear after 3 to 4 cleaning passes, this indicates good quality. Premium quartz stains wipe off easily with a tissue. Cheap quartz absorb liquid, leaving a dark stain. Low quality quartz might look great at first, but with time, stains might ruin its beauty. These quartz are heat resistant but not heat proof. Let's see how these slabs handle extreme heat conditions. High quality slab, no damage, whereas low quality slab, discoloration and cracking easily appears. If your quartz burns or cracks easily, it is made up of too much resin. A good quality quartz should feel heavy and dense. If it feels light, it is likely filled with air pockets and resins. Premium quartz feels heavy and solid, whereas cheap quartz feels lighter and hollow when tapped. Heavier quartz means more strength and durability. When selecting high quality quartz, it's crucial to check these key parameters. First, we measure the slab thickness using a vernier caliper. Higher quality quartz should have a consistent thickness, typically between 2 to 3 cm, without major variations. Next, we check the surface polish. If a gloss meter is available, place it on different areas of slab to measure reflectivity. A high reading indicates a well-polished surface. A high-quality quartz slab should feel smooth with no rough patches or uneven shine. Now, we confirm the size and dimensions using a measuring tape or scale to check the length and width against the specified requirements. The slab should match the required dimension with no major discrepancies. Accurate sizing ensures proper fitting during installation. Finally, we check if the slab is bent or warped. If a gyroscopic device isn't available, do a visual inspection. Look along the slab's edge at eye level to see if it appears perfectly straight. Using a straight edge, you can also check for any visible gaps that indicate bending. Low quality quartz often has uneven shine or dull spots. High quality quartz has a consistent polish and smooth finish. Quartz is non-porous, which means water should sit on top instead of soaking in. Well, let's test both. Premium quartz, water stays on top, forming beads. Cheap quartz, water absorbs in, darkening the surface. Always inspect these slabs in person in order to check if they meet the quality standards and also complement your design vision. By recognizing these grades and their characteristics, you can choose a quartz countertop that perfectly aligns with your needs and expectations. Look for high quartz content, scratch resistance, stain and heat resistance, heavy weight and solid feel, consistent shine and finish, zero water absorption, no bends, no thickness or size variations. Stay tuned for more insights for selecting the best material for your home project.